11 Steps to be the best marketer. Please help to like and share. If you have any feedbacks or questions, please write in the comment. Marketing is an essential component of any successful business. To be the best marketer, you need to be creative, strategic, and have excellent communication skills. Here are 11 steps that can help you be the best marketer. 1. Develop a strong brand. Developing a strong brand is essential for success in marketing. Develop a clear brand identity, including a logo, tagline, and brand messaging, to create a strong brand that resonates with your target audience. 2. Know your audience. Knowing your audience is essential for effective marketing. Conduct market research to understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and behavior. 3. Create compelling content. Creating compelling content is essential for engaging your target audience. Develop high-quality content, including blog posts, videos, and social media content, that resonates with your target audience. 4. Use data to inform your strategies. Using data to inform your marketing strategies is essential for success. Use analytics tools to track your marketing campaign's performance and adjust your strategies accordingly. 5. Develop a strong online presence. Having a strong online presence is essential for success in marketing. Develop a professional website, use social media to connect with your target audience, and use online marketing to promote your business. 6. Use storytelling to engage your audience. Storytelling is a powerful tool for engaging your target audience. Develop compelling stories that resonate with your target audience and use them in your marketing campaigns. 7. Be creative. Creativity is essential for success in marketing. Develop creative marketing campaigns that stand out and resonate with your target audience. 8. Use multiple channels to reach your audience. Using multiple channels to reach your target audience is essential for success in marketing. Use a combination of social media, email marketing, content marketing, and other channels to reach your target audience. 9. Stay up to date on industry trends. Staying up to date on industry trends is essential for success in marketing. Attend industry events, read industry publications, and stay informed about the latest trends and developments. 10. Collaborate with other marketers. Collaborating with other marketers can be a great way to learn new strategies and techniques. Join marketing groups, attend networking events, and collaborate with other marketers to stay informed and learn new skills. 11. Focus on continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is essential for success in marketing. Continuously evaluate your marketing campaign's performance, adjust your strategies accordingly, and focus on improving your skills and knowledge. In conclusion, being the best marketer requires a combination of skills, knowledge, and dedication. By developing a strong brand, knowing your audience, creating compelling content, using data to inform your strategies, developing a strong online presence, using storytelling to engage your audience, being creative, using multiple channels to reach your audience, staying up to date on industry trends, collaborating with other marketers, and focusing on continuous improvement, you can become the best marketer possible. Don't forget to like and share. If you have any feedbacks or questions, please write in the comment.